In this video, I am going to show you how to make at least $100 a day promoting Clickbank products. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process that you can set up today and start driving traffic to Clickbank products for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do, you want to head over to a website called PLTR.com. This is a website that gives you free articles that you can use for absolutely free. As you can see right here, it says it can be used as a web content for backlink. You can sell it or give it away, or you can also modify it if you want. You can put your name as the author. You can basically do whatever you can with these articles. So now I am going to show you the best way to make money with these PLR articles. So you want to head over to your Clickbank Marketplace, and you don't have to use Clickbank alone. You can use JVZoo or Digistore24. Whatever affiliate network you are using is going to work. All right. So once you come over to the marketplace, you want to choose a category right here and you want to select a product. All right. So for this video, I am going to be using the health and fitness niche. So I'm going to be taking this beauty product as an example right here. All right, as you can see, this product right here is going to pay you over $100 per sale that you make on this product. So if you come back to PLR.com, then you want to search for beauty right here. Okay, as you can see, we have beauty articles right here. So if I click on that, you can see we have a lot of articles that we can use for absolutely free. The next thing you want to do now, you want to copy this heading, and then you want to open your Microsoft Word. So once you open your Microsoft Word software or whatever document software you're using, you want to paste in the heading right here, and then you want to grab the rest of the article by clicking on the link. So once you click on that, then you want to basically copy. So once you copy that, then you want to paste it right here. Okay, so we are almost done with this page. The next thing you want to do, right? All right, so you want to type in #1 recommendation right here, and then you want to give it a bold. Basically, the reason why you're doing this is because once people come to read how to make their skin glow, as you can see, this is a skincare product right here. You don't have to use only this product. I am just using it as an example. There are other products here as well that you can go with. Basically, what you want to do from here, you want to click on this promote, and you want to grab your Clickbank link. So basically, all you need to do is click on generate uplink, and you want to copy this link right here. Then you want to go back to the document, and then you want to highlight this, and then you want to go to the insert section, and you want to insert a link. Okay, so if you click on this link right here and click on links, so you want to paste in the link right here and click on OK, and then you want to copy this, and then you want to paste it at the bottom of this page as well. So once you've done that, you want to save this file. All right, so once you're done saving the file, we are almost done. The next thing you want to do, you want to head over to a website called SlideShare. So once you come to this website right here, you want to sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. So basically, it's just going to automatically create an account for you if you use either your Google or your Facebook. They will send you an email to verify if you own that account. So once you verify your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so once you're logged in to your account, you want to click on this upload button right here. You want to look for where your document is saved, and then you want to paste it right here. All right, then you want to write a little bit description. You want to write a little description for your article. So once you write your description, then you want to choose the right category for whatever article you are promoting. So let's take healthcare as an example, and also you want to leave it as private, and you want to add in some tags right here. Okay, and then you want to type in maybe skincare. Okay, so basically you want to add as many tags that are related to this article as much as you can. And once you're done, all you just need to do is click on I'm not a robot. All right, as you can see right here, this is a preview of our article right here. As you can see all of it right here. So once it's done, you just want to hit the publish button. All right, so let me just use, so I'm just going to use this as a description, but basically you want to write, a better description than this, and you want to click the publish button. So once you do that, that is all you need to do. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do from here, you want to go back to plr.com, and if you go back here, you want to repeat the same step for all these articles right here. And I can guarantee you, if you do this for all of this article, then you are guaranteed that you are going to make money in passive income. All right, so basically you want to repeat this step for other niches as well. As you can see right here, there are a lot of articles for various niches right here. So you want to repeat this same process and you will be making money in passive income. All right, so another strategy that you can do is go on to facebook.com, and you want to go on and you want to type in beauty right here, and you want to filter to groups. So you are going to see a lot of groups dedicated to beauty and makeup and all that. So you can go on to those groups and you can share the link to this Clickbank product right there. You can also do the same for Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. The best method by far is using slideshare.net, because as you can see right here, it gets over 70 million visits a month. So basically you can combine all the methods. You can do this and also promote on Facebook as well, Twitter, and I can guarantee you that you will make money in passive income promoting Clickbank products. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value, leave a like on this video. It's really appreciated, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace and love.